Today, we're going to talk about the 180-degree shutter rule and how important it is to use it when filming. What's up guys, Mark Tabalon here and welcome to my YouTube channel where I can help you become a better filmmaker or a content creator. Watch this video until the end because I'm going to give you extra tips to improve your filmmaking skills. Alright, let's talk about 180-degree shutter rule and what that means. The 180-degree shutter rule is a standard in filmmaking industry and explaining the relationship between the shutter speed and the frame rate when recording motion in video. Do you notice that sometimes when you are filming and when you move the camera, the motion blur just doesn't seem right? Or when you are filming a moving subject like a person or an object? Well, that's because you are not properly or not using at all the 180-degree shutter rule that gives you the cinematic look or the standard motion blur that you often see in the movies. Here, let me give you an example video so you'll have a better understanding what I mean by that. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I wish I knew this when I first started my filmmaking career. It would have helped me advance my filmmaking skills for sure. I've been trying so hard to achieve my cinematic look in my videos without even knowing this rule. Now, how can you achieve this? Or how can you do this? Well, it's so easy and simple. You basically go over to your camera settings and just double your frame rate with your shutter speed. For example, if you're using a 24 frame per second, and double your shutter speed, you should have around 48 or 50 shutter speed. I know some cameras won't allow you to do 48 shutter speed, so 50 will do. And for some crazy reason, you still don't have the 50 shutter speed option, then I would suggest you buy a new camera. Just kidding, just use 60 shutter speed because that shutter speed is still valid, but not more than that. So now you're probably asking me, Mark, what about in slow-mo? Do you still need to apply the 180-degree shutter rule? My answer is yes, you have to, but in some cases, you can break this rule. For example, if you are in the dark situation where you need more lights to properly expose your footage, you can break this rule a little bit. If you are using 120 frames per second, you can use 200 shutter speed or even 125 shutter speed, but only if you need to, because you are going to slow down the footage anyway. But again, avoid anything lower than 200 if you can. The quality of your footage is still better at 250 shutter speed. Now that you have learned the 180-degree shutter rule and how to apply it to your video, you should be now using this rule all the time. Unless you are creating a story that you want your audience or viewer to feel a certain way while watching your film, like a drunk scene. then by all means break this rule. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also turn on the notification bell button so the next time I upload a video here in my YouTube channel, you will be notified right away so you don't miss any awesome video like this. Wow, you guys really stayed till the end of this video. You guys are amazing. Now for the extra tip. I hate to disappoint you a little, but you can't use the 180-degree shutter rule with a wide aperture outside on a brightly sunny day. I get it, you paid thousands of dollars for your lens, most likely because it's a wider aperture or lower aperture. But don't panic, there is a way to eliminate the lights that are hitting your sensor with a wider aperture. Luckily, we have a solution, and that is the ND filter, also known as neutral density filter. The ND filter will help you reduce the light that comes into your sensor so you can apply your 180-degree shutter rule with your widest aperture while filming outdoors. I made a video dedicated to this topic so you'll have a better understanding of what an ND filter does to your video and how important it is to have while filming outside. I'll link the video into the description down below. That's it for today guys. Thank you again for watching this video. I appreciate you giving the time to watch my video, and if you have more time, watch my previous video and check out all my contents here on my YouTube channel. Peace out guys.